In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to your HostGator hosting account. This process is essential for launching your website, as it allows your domain to point to the right server, ensuring your visitors land on your site. Let's begin by logging into your GoDaddy account. Once you're in, locate the My Products section. This is where all your domains are listed. Find the domain name you want to connect to your HostGator account. Next to your chosen domain, there should be a button or link that says DNS or Manage DNS. Click on that. The DNS management page is where you'll make the necessary changes to point your domain to HostGator. On this page, you'll see several records. The one we're interested in is the Name Servers section. By default, GoDaddy's name servers are typically set to their own. To connect your domain to HostGator, you'll need to change these. Look for an option that allows you to customize or set your custom name servers. Click on that. You might need to switch from default name servers to custom in order to proceed. Now, open another tab and log into your HostGator account. Once logged in, find your way to the customer portal. Here, look for the Domains section. HostGator will have provided you with specific name servers, usually in pairs like NS1 and NS2, followed by HostGator.com. These are the name servers you'll replace the GoDaddy name servers with. Copy the first HostGator name server, then return to the GoDaddy tab. Paste this first name server under Name Server 1. Repeat this process for the second HostGator name server and paste it under Name Server 2. Once your new name servers are entered, make sure to save the changes. Most DNS updates can take a few minutes to propagate, but it could take up to 48 hours for the changes to fully take effect and redirect your domain to your HostGator hosted site. During this period, don't be alarmed if the connection isn't immediate. A tip here, be patient if the changes do not reflect immediately. Give it some time. You can occasionally check if your site is up by entering your domain in the browser. If everything is set up correctly, you should eventually see your website or HostGator's default page. And there you have it. You've successfully connected your GoDaddy domain to your HostGator hosting account. This connection is a crucial step in bringing your website online and ensuring your audience reaches the correct destination. If you encounter any issues, both GoDaddy and HostGator offer support to help you troubleshoot. Thanks for watching.